Linking your bank account to Reddit can enhance your experience, especially if you want to use features like Reddit Premium or make purchases. Follow these steps to set up your bank account connection. Step 1. Open Reddit. Start by launching the Reddit app on your mobile device or visiting the Reddit website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and select user settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to the payments section. Within the user settings menu, look for a section labeled payments or billing. Click on this option to proceed to the payment methods available for your account. Step 4. Add a payment method. In the payment section, you will see an option to add a payment method. Click on Add Payment Method and select the option to link your bank account. You may need to provide your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save File Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a verification email or notification to confirm the linking. Now you have successfully linked your bank account to your Reddit account. Enjoy exploring all the features Reddit has to offer.